Hello everyone, in today's video, I will demonstrate how to enable two-factor authentication on your X account. If you wish to turn on this feature for your X or Twitter account, please follow these steps. Open the X app and click on the profile icon located at the top left corner. Select Settings and Support from the menu. Under Settings and Support, click on Settings and Privacy. Choose Security and Account Access, and then click on Security. Locate two-factor authentication and click on it. Enable the currently disabled options. For example, if you like to use text message authentication, turn it on. Once you click on Turn On, if you like to use 2 or 3 authentication methods, repeat the process to turn on all of them. I hope this video has been helpful.